Hi, I'm Michael here from Touche. We're going to do a quick demonstration on network asset management with a 42-inch HP touchscreen. As you can see here on our desktop, we've got nothing but our recycling bin icon and our application icon. We're going to start the application up quickly just by clicking on the icon. As you see right away, it starts up full screen, and we've got nothing here but the date, which is getting it locally. We've also got a minimize button. And then we've got this down here, which is actually stating the state of our network detection, which is currently saying that we're offline. So first thing I'm going to do is just click and plug in our network. As you can see, it transfers and it pings and says, okay, now we're definitely online. Again, just removing that network cable, it detects it and says, again, we're offline. So right away we've got network detection, which is great, especially if we are going to be downloading assets from our network. So we go back into our application, and we can see right on the bottom we've got a button that says Get Our Asset List. Now, in this particular case, getting our asset list is going to be an XML file that is going to be grabbed off of our network and stored locally. So if we go back onto our desktop, we can actually see now a new folder has been created. And inside our folder, we've got a data set, and if we open up the data set, we can see that it is just an XML file. And in our XML file, we've got 5 nodes. In each node, we've got an asset path alongside the name to that asset. So really simple XML, nothing too crazy. Again, going back into our application, now that we do have that data set, we're going to say show the selection. So again, going back into our XML, this is our selection. We had 5 cities. In each of those cities, there was an asset image attached to each one of those. So if we click on any one of these cities, what's going to happen is it's actually going to download the image. And you see the image does show up in our application. Nice view of Miami there. And if we go back into our folder on our desktop, the image actually resides locally on our desktop as well, which is great. I mean, if we go back offline, we still have our image. Everything will still stick. So going back into our application again, maybe that's not the image that we wanted. We can delete it. Just deleting the image obviously removes it out of the application. But again, going back into the desktop, we also see that the image is fully removed. And not just going into the recycling bin. The recycling bin, of course, is still empty. It's explicitly being removed. Again, clicking on an image, you'll see it shows up. And deleting that asset, again, it removes. So, quick little demonstration on networked asset management, downloading, showing, viewing, and of course deleting and removing assets through a network.